This is a unique way to generate ideas based off of your own analytics for TikTok, and I'm going to show you how to do it. On the TikTok website, obviously you can check this on your phone too, but you're going to go to view analytics, and this is one of my channels that I have, and then
here's your analytics page, and then you'll click on content.
And then you go to trending videos, and then now you have about 10 videos, I believe, of your top trending videos in the last 7 days. All right, so next you're gonna type in, can you analyze my TikTok videos and provide content ideas to increase views and engagement? Here are the titles of my 10 most viral videos. I listed the titles out, so I typed it all out with the view number here, and I said, please analyze the content and provide recommendations for new video ideas, series concepts, and strategies to increase views and watch time. Thank you. And this is the answer that I got. And it came up with new video ideas here. It came up with series concepts and strategies to help me increase my views and watch times. So is that not amazing or what? I am literally trying to grow my other TikTok right now and monetize it because I have over 10K followers on that account. So I'm using TikTok to create ideas for me that is gonna match up with my most viral videos. ChatGPT is crazy, but if you learn how to use it, like, you're gonna be golden with all these ideas that are specific to you and your certain niche. If that was super helpful, make sure to follow me because I share more tips on how to use ChatGPT and AI to help simplify your blogging and content creation process.